Everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today we're looking at the Cowrywise Emergency Fund. Cowrywise Emergency Fund, we want to know what is it all about. Now, many Nigerians cannot cover a 200,000 naira emergency without borrowing or selling something. That is a staggering reality. You see, financial surprises, whether it's a job loss, medical emergency, or urgent car repair, can strike when least expected. The best way to stay prepared is an emergency fund. Now, an emergency fund is a financial cushion that ensures you do not have to rely on high interest loans or credit cards when unexpected expenses arise. With Cowrywise, building this safety net is effortless, automated, and rewarding. So in this guide, we are going to walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up an emergency fund that provides true financial security. But first, what is an emergency fund and why do you need one? Like I said earlier, an emergency fund is a dedicated savings reserve set aside for unexpected financial shocks. It covers urgent and necessary expenses like medical bills, car or home repairs, sudden job loss, family emergencies, and the rest of them. Now, why does having an emergency fund seem essential? 1. For financial security. It protects against financial stress. It does protect you against financial stress and uncertainty. It also helps you to avoid high interest debts and prevent reliance on loans or credit cards. It gives you the freedom to make sound financial decisions. It allows you to handle emergencies without disrupting your long-term financial goals. Now, you might be wondering, how much should you save in your emergency fund? Well, experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months worth of essential expenses. At Cowrywise, they suggest you save at least 5 times your monthly expenses to ensure a solid safety net. For example, if your monthly essential expenses like rent, food, utilities, and transportation is a total of 200,000 naira, then your emergency fund goal should be 1 million naira. You can also use the emergency fund calculator on Cowrywise to determine your specific savings target. So let's look at it. Emergencies are never things you plan for. We simply hope to avoid them. Don't get caught off guard. Be the superhero of your story with Cowrywise Smarter Solution. Then you click on Show Me How. How much do you earn monthly? This is the calculator I'm talking about. Emergency fund calculator on Cowrywise. This is how to use it. So you put in your monthly income. Let's say this is my monthly income. Let's use the minimum. Let's say 100,000. Then click on Save Now. How much is your savings? They've told you should save at least 20,000 a month. If you want to edit it, click on Edit and Add or reduce the number. The amount depends on you. Change the interest rate, and then you choose payment method. And then this is how much you have to pay. 250 naira is the processing fee. They'll calculate the processing fee for you and show it to you. Then tap on Pay. And then you'll be given the account number to pay to and the bank. And then once you've paid, tap on I have paid. And it's as simple as that. You just created an emergency fund. So that is how to do it. Hope you understand. Well, in the next video, we're going to be going deeper into creating of emergency funds on Cowrywise.